This is my main TP-Link router. Let's see how to set up Mi Router 4 as a repeater. Before doing this process, you need to reset the router. Now press a reset button and hold it for about 30 seconds. Then it will reset automatically. After reset, the indicator light turns blue. Now go to Mobile Wi-Fi settings. This is the main Wi-Fi network. Now disconnect your mobile from this network. Now connect your mobile to Xiaomi Wi-Fi network. After connecting the Xiaomi Wi-Fi network, then the router setup process pops up. Now select your country. If it is not available in the list, you can choose any country. You need to click here. Now select Wi-Fi access point. Now select your network from the network list. Then you need to enter this Wi-Fi network password. Your Xiaomi Wi-Fi router will be changed. Then you need to set up a password. Now go to Mobile Wi-Fi settings. Now wait, the router reboots. This is your Wi-Fi extender network. Now the internet is connected and working.